Okay, what's up guys? This is Icon Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple way that you can connect the connection from your micro USB port to the circuit board whenever there is peel from the connection. As you can see, my name is Afobs. This is the first time I'm doing a voiceover on my channel, so let's get started. Alright guys, if you take a look at this, you can see that the connection from the board actually peeled. You can see the connection from the board, all the 5 connections from the board has been peeled from the USB charging port. So in this circuit, the only part that really charge this battery is the first connection and the last connection, which is used for the positive and negative connection from your adapter charger that go into this micro USB charging ports. So as you can see, let me show you that connection here. This first connection here is the positive and this is the negative, and this actually goes to this connection here, which the connection continue and connect to this 1 amp Schottky diode, this small surface mount Schottky diode. So this Schottky diode actually reduce the current flow to 1 amp and protect the reverse connection. The voltage is reverse connection. So the simple way to connect this back is just to jump the wire using this copper wire, tiny copper wire, jump into the positive of this and connect and scratch this connection here with some flux and put some solder to connect this to this place, or you can connect it directly to, you can jump it and connect it directly to the Schottky diode, and the ground, which is the last last pin here. You can connect the last pin here to the ground of the board. So let's do that now. So first thing to do is to remove the previous connection which peeled the charging port. Okay, let's connect this to the board right now. So the connection that are peeled. So I'm going to add some flux and solder on it. The positive connection here is going to go to this connection with solder. We put some solder on it, and this negative connection here we go to the ground. So let's see if after we connect that, this thing will work. So before I connect this, I've added some solder on the copper on the jumper. Now the next thing to do is to connect this connection here to this place and this place to the ground, as I explained earlier. This connection from the first legs, which is the positive, goes to this connection here. As you can see, the last leg goes to the ground. So first of all, let's see if this works out. So did you see that? It's working. 5 volts. Good. And you can see the LED lights up showing that the connection is well connected.